right, friends, I am Tallas. We are back here at High Performance Expo. Daren, it is nice to talk to you today. How's your day going so far?
It's going really good. We've had a good show so far, so I'm happy.
That is amazing. Tell us a little bit about what you do and what's your reasoning for being here at HPX today.
This is kind of my side gig. I run Poole Adams Racing.
Okay.
It's incorporated. I run it as a business. We primarily run NHRA stock eliminator.
Okay.
This car right here is a COPO Camaro. I have several of these.
Amazing.
I occasionally race them myself, but then I have drivers that drive for me at most of the Southeast races, whether it be the 4 wides. Next week will be at Bristol. We'll have 3 cars at Bristol. We like to think we have a pretty good competitive team.
I was going to say, that sounds like an amazing, fun time. Tell us a little bit about this big beauty behind us.
Okay, so this is a 2022 COPO Camaro.
Okay.
This is a factory race car. What you see is what came from the factory.
That's awesome.
This one is very lightly modified. We have tweaked a few things on it, but this is probably the least modified of any of the COPOs I have.
Okay, absolutely.
This is the most consistent car I own.
Oh, we love consistency.
The big block, it makes good power, and it does repeat and repeat and repeat. This particular car, it's serial number 4.
Okay.
What makes it really special, it is actually the first big block car that Chevrolet built and delivered.
That's amazing.
It was built 1 month before the serial number 1 car.
Okay.
So it is a very neat piece.
I was gonna say, this is a special baby right here. What big block do we have in this baddie right here?
It's 572 cubic inches.
Holy crap!
It made, as delivered, it made right at 726 horsepower.
Oh my gosh.
And around 680 foot-pounds of torque.
Wow.
Now we've tweaked it a little bit. It's still all mostly the original components. We did a camshaft swap and a few little things, and we're making around 760 something.
Hey, that's pretty fast for this.
It'll run 920s all day long.
Okay, yeah, that's not bad at all.
And it's competitive. It's not the world's best stock eliminator combination.
Right.
It's one of those things where if you just took it as a car by itself, you go, wow. The other car I have on the other side is a production motor. It's a 6.2.
Woo!
That car is badass.
Right.
Okay, with a capital B. You know, that
absolutely.
Thing is, that's very competitive. I'll take it to Indy this year and run.
Okay.
And so I have no fear running that one heads up.
Oh,
this one is it's a great car. It's a great race car. It can win races, but the combination's not my favorite.
I get that. What has been some of the biggest sacrifices that you've had to make while, kind of building cars like this and, being in the race industry?
The biggest sacrifice I make is probably I'm so committed to so many people is a lot of times I don't get to drive.
Yes.
So it's like we told this young guy over here the other day, just a minute ago, and I'm like, he said, I'd really like to get in a race car. I said, and I'll be like, well, let me see if I can find a way to get you in a race car somewhere one time just to try it.
Right.
So I have a lot of partnerships with a lot of people.
Yeah.
What that happens to me is because I'm also always building cars.
Right.
When I build them, sometimes I have to sacrifice one to have the funds to build the next car.
Yes.
So then it gives me, I already have commitments to Jeff Warren to drive this car. And
right.
Steve Foley was number 5 in the country in that car last year.
Right, exactly.
So I can't not have him in a race car.
Exactly.
I've got to have that presence out there. So sometimes I say the biggest sacrifice, I end up without a race car.
Ooh, and see, even then you're like, that's so depressing.
Yeah, because I do love to drive.
As you should.
I've won on a national level.
That's awesome.
I'm not. I'm not the greatest of drivers, but everybody has their day.
Exactly.
And that's happened to me a few times, so I feel blessed at that. But I do love to drive.
That's
awesome. It's like, Veronica just retired. Next year, we're going to hit it much harder. I'll make sure I'm in something that's dedicated to me.
Yes, as you should.
And probably be a Toyota.
Nothing wrong with the Toyota. They run forever, right?
Yeah, we've had great experience with Toyota so far.
Oh, for sure.
Last year here we had a Supra.
Okay, yeah.
And that's something we worked on with Toyota, and we hope to bring that to press.
That's amazing.
Next year, so it should be fun. Yeah.
Is there anybody you want to shout out here at High Performance Expo that's really kind of just given you a big impact, or has just been really kind of fundamental to your time here?
Obviously, you see what's on the side of the car.
Yes, sir. Shout out to High Performance Expo.
The Dana and Pamela and all those guys for letting me be
really
part
cool.
of their deal. JB Meyer's been my friend for forever, so Jamie's always that. I have to say something about Justin, but I can't say anything nice, so I won't.
Oh, poor Justin.
But no, I had a lot of partners that enabled me to do this. So if you're looking at, we're tied to Weldon, Goodyear, and Lucas Oil, and all these guys, ATI, and that have really helped me be able to be here and have, Race Tech. We just brought on Race Tech, and having the opportunity to show them here. That when you're looking at our booth is more a display of our partners.
Right.
I hope I helped them sell some of this stuff.
That's awesome.
But they've given me the opportunity to have products that other people don't have, and to be out there early with it. We will start putting Race Tech seats in all the project cars we're doing.
That's amazing.
And we have some really killer projects coming up, some very nostalgic projects.
Yes.
I can't really shout a lot about them. If you keep watching, some of the cars we're fixing to do are going to be so cool.
I am super excited to get to see all that. Well, Daren, it has been amazing talking to you today. I've been so excited to be here at High Performance Expo. And again, I'm here representing Streetcar 101 Magazine. Daren, it's been great talking to you. We're checking out with you today.